All right, so today we have a privacy filter. This is for a notebook and LCD monitor, and it helps keep your screen information private. I remember some doctor's offices I used to work for using these. That way patients could not see the screen depending on what angle they were at. So this is how they showed up in a flat little package here. We can go ahead and tear this little tear tab, and then we can pull out a filter. So there you can see, it would just slide right on your laptop screen, and then nobody would be able to see through your laptop. And then there's of course also this one. This is more of the desktop version for like a 16-inch monitor, but it would also accomplish the same thing. So that's the unboxing. That's what these look like if you're looking to have one of these protect your privacy on your laptop.